In this video, we'll see what if WordPress is not sending mail or mail system is not working on your WordPress website. You are sending any contact form or you don't receive any mail to admin. We'll set mailing system in WordPress. Like by default, if mail system doesn't work through hosting, so we need to set up SMTP. For that, we will install SMTP and set up it. Okay. First, install WP SMTP plugin. Then we will set up using Google for sending mail on your admin dashboard. Here you can say by default this is the setup, but if it is not working, you will receive error info in email log. You can see email error in email log if email is. So we will set up for that. Here we will set up using Google/Gmail. Here you can set from email as per your requirement. Here you can set form name and we will set up using Google/Gmail. Now for that we need to add client ID and client secret. So let's find client ID and client secret. Okay. Just search for Google console. ID you want to integrate it. Now in project section, you can click on new project and I will name it no organization create. Now important part is here. Now we will search for API and services. Here we need to click on enable API services. Here select for Gmail API. Here you can see we will enable it. Now click here you can see click on create credential. Now here you can select API Gmail API. Here you can select user data. Click on next. Then app name. I will SMTP. Support email. Developer email contact information. Now leave it, save and continue. Application type web application, done. Here you can name as per your requirement. Now important part is here. We need to add a redirect URL. That will be here you can see authorize redirect URL. Copy it, paste it here. Now create. It's done. Client ID is done. So now just say done. Don't do anything. Now what we need to do? Now we need to go to auth here. Here we will publish the app. Confirm. Here we have created SMTP app. We will publish it. Now we will go to credentials and get that credential by clicking on edit. I will copy my client ID and client secret. Save setting. Here you can see everything is connected. Now what I do, allow plugin to send email using your Google account. You need to select your Google account through which you have created SMTP. Click on advanced, go to SMTP, continue. Here, all done. Here everything is linked. You can the Here you can say everything is linked. If you want to check it, you can check go to tools on whichever email ID you want to send. You can test from here and send the test mail. And now you can see your WordPress email system will be working. You can easily send and receive mail. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.